Gotta keep on walking when you're feeling low. Won't settle down now, I wanna let go. Happy as a fool, every minute is a jewel. Alright. Let the dark clouds come, the future's looking oh so bright. Gotta keep your head up when the rope gets tight.
Gotta keep your head up when the rope gets tight.
I won't give up, no, I just wanna fight.
I just wanna fight. Loving every day, nothing comes my way. Feeling blessed like a cloud in the sky.
Life is so delight, flying like a kite.
Extraordinary vibe.
I'm roaming around and around and around. Nothing's bringing me down, me down, me down. Loving every day, every minute, every hour. Put a smile on your face, it's my superpower.
Let's talk about prices. Mi 11 is movie magic. With 108 megapixels that lets you shoot like a director. An A+ rated 120Hz WQHD Plus display, premium 2-layer anti-glare finish, and Corning Gorilla Glass Victors. The fast and 5G connected Snapdragon 888 and some of the fastest charging speeds available. Stacked against competition, you can see that similar devices cost over €1,000. So Mi 11 will start at €749 full retail price. We'll be offering a 2-year warranty free of charge. This is double of what is typically given by other flagships. Furthermore, we'll replace first-time damaged screen glass absolutely free of charge within the first year. Mi 11 is truly worthy of the spotlight. This is Mi 11.